The history of Japan is long and complex, spanning thousands of years from prehistoric times to the modern era. Here's an overview of the major periods. Prehistoric Japan, before 300 AD. Jomon period, 14,300 BC. The Jomon people were hunter-gatherers known for their distinctive pottery with cord-like patterns. Japan was still a largely isolated island during this period. Yayoi period, 300 BC 300 AD, marked by the introduction of rice cultivation, metallurgy, and more complex societal structures. Yayoi people are thought to have migrated from the Korean peninsula and mainland China, bringing significant technological advances. Classical Japan, 300-1185. Kofun period, 300 to 538, named after the large tomb mounds, or kofun, built for powerful leaders. This period saw the rise of the Yamato state, which laid the foundation for the modern Japanese imperial line. Asuka period, 538 to 710, Japan saw the introduction of Buddhism from Korea and China, which played a significant role in shaping its culture. Political power began to centralize, and Japan started adopting Chinese influences in governance and religion. Nara period, 710 to 794, the first permanent capital was established in Nara. Buddhism flourished, and many temples were built. Japan developed a centralized government based on Chinese models. Heian period, 794-1185, the capital moved to Heian-ku, modern Kyoto. This period saw a flowering of Japanese court culture, with the development of literature, art, and poetry. The imperial court was strong, but political power began to shift toward the warrior class. Feudal Japan, 1185-1603. Kamakura period, 1185-1333, Japan was ruled by the shogunate, a military government led by the shogun. This period began after the Genpei War and marked the dominance of the samurai class. Muromachi period, 1336-1573, the Ashikaga shogunate ruled, and Japanese culture continued to evolve with developments in tea ceremony, Zen Buddhism, and ink painting. However, the period was also marked by internal strife, leading to the Warring States period, Sengoku Jidai. Sengoku period, 1467-1603, a time of nearly constant civil war and political instability, as regional warlords, daimyo, vied for power. It ended with the unification of Japan under powerful leaders like Oda Nobunaga, Toyotomi Hideyoshi, and Tokugawa Ieyasu. Early modern Japan, 1603-1868. Edo period, 1603-1868, the Tokugawa shogunate established a stable and isolated regime in Edo, now Tokyo. This period was marked by strict social hierarchies, the dominance of the samurai class, and the closure of Japan to most foreign influence, Sakoku. Despite this isolation, the arts, economy, and urban culture flourished, particularly in Edo and Osaka. Modern Japan, 1868-present. Meiji period, 1868-1912, the Meiji Restoration saw the end of the shogunate and the restoration of the emperor's power. Japan rapidly modernized and industrialized, adopting Western technology and governmental structures. It emerged as a world power by the early 20th century. Taisho period, 1912-1926, Japan experienced democratic reforms but also increasing militarism. It became involved in World War I on the side of the Allies and expanded its territories. Showa period, 1926-1989, Japan's militarism continued to grow, leading to involvement in World War II. After initial success, Japan's defeat in 1945 led to the US occupation, the adoption of a pacifist constitution, and economic recovery. Japan became a major global economic power by the 1970s. Heisei period, 1989-2019, this era saw economic challenges following the burst of Japan's asset price bubble, but also technological advancements and cultural export. Reiwa period 2019-present, Japan continues to face issues like demographic decline, but remains an important player in the global economy and culture. Throughout its history, Japan has balanced its traditions with external influences, particularly from China, Korea, and later the West, to create a unique and dynamic culture.